Hello everyone! Today in this video what we're going to be doing is crunch the numbers for chapter 7. And so in my book it is on page 179 and it is about you will be adjusting salaries. Alright, so what you need to know is the grid that you have there is the CPI-U data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, and it goes from 2012 to 2017, and then for each year, January through December, except for the last year, we only have data for the first 6 months. Okay, you're also going to be adjusting these salaries for accountants, and it says that the starting salary is $50,000. So the first question, 7-10, just asks, by what percent did the cost of goods and services, CPI-U, change between December 2016 and June of 2017? So this is really straightforward, and I've got that in the slide as well. All right, so you're just going to take June 2017 minus December 2016 divided by December 2016. So what that looks like is 244.03 minus 242.78. And that is how I got the 1.25. All right. Then we're going to divide that. We're going to divide that by that 242.78, and that equals the 0.51, and that's the percent change. Now what I want to remind you about is that the online and the MyLab, your numbers are going to be different, okay? So even though I have these numbers here, you're going to want to be really careful and make sure that you follow the CPI-U grid that is in your question. So the next question, the 7-11, says, by what percent might you expect the average cost of goods and services to change over the second 6-month period of 2017? All right, so here, what you're going to do, this is 2012, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So you go July for all those years, you put that here. December for all those years here. Now all you're going to be doing is the exact same thing you did in 7-10 for each year. You're going to go, for example, in 2012, you'll take 231.22 minus 228.59, and that's where I get this 2.63. I divide it by 228.59, and that equals the 1.15%. Okay, the percent is also really important to remember when you're putting your numbers in. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you do that for each year, you come up with a percent change. Now you average these 5 numbers here. So when I do that, okay, that comes up to this 0.50%, and I want you to hard code that. That's going to help us to avoid any of those weird rounding issues. So here you can see I have the formula to average. Here it's 0.5. That's it. And again, be sure to remember the percent. Okay, so then what you're going to do for the second part of the question, B says, what is the estimated average salary for December 31st, 2017? So you're going to take that $50,000, that is the initial salary, and then you're going to take, this is our estimated change for 2017. So you multiply the 50,000 times the 0.50%, and that is $250. You add those two together, you come up with the $50,250. So now the third part, the 7-12, just says, by what percent might you expect the average cost of goods and services to change between January 1st, 2018 and December 31st, 2018? We have no data on 2018 whatsoever, right? So we have half a year's data for 2017, and that's it. So what it tells us to do is to, again, go 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's look at those full years that we have data, all right? And let's just estimate again. Let's just try to figure this out. So take your grid, your CPI-U data grid, and you put in those numbers for 2012 to 2016. Same for December, okay, 2012 to 2016. Same thing, you're going to calculate the difference, you're going to calculate that percent change, you average that percent change, that's what you come up with here. So again, this is the actual average that I've calculated. I hard code it. Now here's where people get tripped up, okay? So again, we're wanting 2018 estimated average salary. We have estimated 2017 salary over here. So that's what we're going to start with, okay? So our starting salary is this $50,250. You take that, multiply it by the 1.3% here. That's where you're going to get your 653.25. You add those two numbers together, and that answer is $50,903.25. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.